In this video, I'll be showing you guys a OneXBet promo code that you can use in Somalia. It's very easy. So after you've downloaded your OneXBet app from your Play Store or Apple Store, you go ahead and click on register. Then you click on phone. In this next section, I'll advise you input all your details correctly, and on your country you input Somalia, and then your currency Somali shilling. Then on your promo code section, you input your promo code Chelsea TV. After inputting your promo code Chelsea TV, OneXBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit, which means when you deposit 10,000 Somali shilling, you get 40,000. It's very easy. Then you go ahead and click on those three boxes, and then you register. Don't forget, you get free money when you use the promo code Chelsea TV on your first deposit.